me ask you something. When a friend comes to you and they're struggling, or they made a mistake, or they're having a hard time, how do you talk to them? Now, think about your own self. When you are struggling, or you made a mistake, or you're having a hard time, how do you talk to yourself? Those are probably very different things. We don't talk to our friends the same way that we do ourselves, and that's a problem. You deserve to be treated with kindness and with understanding in exactly the same way you would to a friend. So the best way to start to build self-love is to practice what psychologists call self-compassion. That's responding to yourself, talking to yourself with kindness and understanding. Now, we all have that inner critic inside, that voice that's going to say, you could have, you should have, do better, be better. But it's really important to remember, just because you're thinking it doesn't mean that it's worth listening to. That's just, for lack of a better way to put it, an inner hater. And I want you to start to tune that out and instead treat yourself like you would a good friend. And that is the foundation of building self-love.